Okay, so let's show you how to do this extrude, or sorry, this revolve cut that I've been saying to try to give your rim some kind of three-dimensional feature, like going into the surface like this one, cutting out the back like this, or even coming out a little bit like, say, this one. Comes out the front a little bit. I'm just going to do the simpler one now. So here's the blank that one of the blanks I sent you. First I'm going to get rid of this label. Okie dokie. Now I'm going to cut out some material here. I don't know where that. You know what I should do? Show you something else here real quick. Where is my axis at? Say that carefully. Let's do a new sketch through here. Appears that no, it's on the back. Never mind. So let's just I'm going to create a new work plane here. I'm going to go plane between two planes. This isn't really the point of the video, but do a new sketch so I can see how far out I can go when I remove some material here. New sketch, F7, slice graphics. So I'm going to draw a circle, say to about there. Let's not cut into our wheel. Yeah, it's not good enough. 1.3. Whoa. Something like that, so I don't remove too much material. Finish sketch. Extrude. Symmetrical. All cut. Okay, so now I've got this kind of blank where I can draw my spokes, or whatever you want to call it. So I'm going to draw that on this surface. See if I can make something up here quick. First I'm going to project geometry of this and this. Then I would like to draw an arc. I'm just going to make this up off the top of my head. No, I didn't want it there. Let's try that. And then what I might try, let's just mix it up a little bit. Let's put a line from there to there. There's a good chance this won't work, but I'm going to try it. Extrude. Oh, it is going to work. I want to go that way. I'm just going to go 0.1 or something. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to mirror the 3D feature, because that always works way better than trying to mirror within the sketch. Okay, so that's what I'm going to try to then circular pattern. Come on now. Just come over here and click on the stupid things. And then my axis is the Z-axis, the way I've drawn it. Let's try 6. That's pretty ugly. What's 10 look like? I don't even know what I'm looking at. Okay, whatever, that's ugly. Okay, now let's get to what I actually wanted to show you. Both these planes cut right through it, so this is what I'm going to draw a new sketch on. Slice graphics. What I want to do is take some material out of here. So the way I'm going to do that, first of all, let's see. I'm going to draw an arc going to start it. Let's just pick the point here and come down to the middle. I don't know what I'm looking at here. And then I want to draw some kind of cross-sectional area that I would like to remove. And I'm going to draw just kind of out here, doesn't really matter. And back down here. See, I'm not to the origin, so that could be a problem. That's my axis there. It will not let me do that. That looks good. What the heck? Okay, so let's make sure it's in the middle. Now I can finish sketch, and that's my cutting. I'm going to revolve this around my z-axis, and I want to cut in this case. Maybe you like to look at that. And what it has done is then created a kind of an indentation there. And if you had still a solid blank, you could do the same thing to remove this bottom material out of here if you want. If you wanted it to stick out, what I did, I believe, on this one was extrude these spokes out farther and then drew a nice cross-sectional, some different revolutions with these different cross-sections. This one. So that's kind of how I did this one. So I had this come out farther, and then removed a lot more material.